Have you ever encountered this situation? The same piece of code, the same use of vectors push_back method. Most of the time it's very fast, but occasionally it suddenly lags. Many people's first reaction, is it a cache hit issue? Or I/O interference? Or some even suspect system jitter? Stop guessing blindly. There's only one core reason for all such occasional lags. The vector is reallocating memory. As we all know, the underlying structure of a vector is a contiguous block of memory. This is the foundation for its efficient random access, but also the root cause of lag during expansion. When a vector is initialized, it applies for a contiguous block of memory of a fixed size. This is its capacity. When you continuously add elements to it using pushback, once the number of elements exceeds the capacity, it cannot expand the memory in place. Because the memory space is contiguous, the area behind it may already be occupied by other data. So it has to do one brutal and time-consuming thing, apply for a larger contiguous block of memory again, then copy all existing elements from the old memory to the new memory one by one, and finally deallocate the old memory before storing the new element in the new memory. Note that this is not copying just one element, but all existing elements. Therefore, the more elements there are, the longer this step takes. So the average time complexity of pushback is 0.1, which is why it's usually fast. But at the moment reallocation is triggered, the time complexity will suddenly become O(n). This is also why when you call pushback in large quantities in a loop, but never use reserve function, the performance can suddenly crash occasionally. So the significance of reserve is not a micro-optimization, but to tell the vector in advance about the approximate number of elements you want to store, allowing it to apply for sufficient memory at one time and avoid a full-scale relocation at a critical moment.